Hello everyone, myself Rajkumar Shivhare of Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Today I am going to teach you lesson 1, which is called set, class 11th, subject mathematics. So what is set? The definition of set is a well defined collection of an object is called set. Set is always denoted by capital letter and symbol for set is curly bracket. This symbol is used for representing a set. Now I am taking an example. Capital letter A equals to curly bracket. These are the curly brackets and some elements are written inside the curly brackets. This is the representation of set. Now description of set. There are two methods to describe a set. They are roster form and set builder form. What is roster form? Roster form, in this form we write all the elements in curly brackets separated with commas. Like this is an example. Lights A equal to, these are the curly brackets and some elements are written inside the bracket separated with commas. So there are 4 elements we can count very easily. Now set builder form. In the set builder form we write the properties of elements. For example, set A equals to curly bracket x such that x belongs to, इसमें प्रॉपर्टीज आएगी जो भी एलिमेंट्स दिए होंगे उनकी. और उसको रीड कैसे करेंगे? द सेट ऑफ ऑल एक्स सच दैट, उसके बाद फिर आगे जो भी प्रॉपर्टीज होगी उसके अकॉर्डिंग लिया जाएगा. मैं एक एग्जांपल लेता हूँ. Now types of set. First, null set. The set which has no element. For example, A equal to curly bracket and there is no element inside it. In other words, set A equal to phi. This symbol is known as phi. This is also used to represent a empty set, null set. Another name of null set is, it is also called void set, empty set. Now next, singleton set. The set which contains only one element is known as singleton set. This is an example. A equal to 1. Only this set having only one element, so it is called singleton set. After this, finite set. The set which has limited number of elements is known as finite set. Limited number of elements, it means we can count the total number of elements. This is called finite set. Here is an example. Set A equals to 1 2 3 4 till 100. So this set contains 100 elements, which is a finite quantity. Now infinite set. What is infinite set? The set which has unlimited number of elements. Unlimited number of elements means we can not able to count. For example, collection of stars, we cannot count stars. Okay, so this is called infinite set. For example, set A equal to 1 2 3 4 and dot dash dash dash. This counting is not going to end. इसका कोई end नहीं है. So this is all over about set. I hope this will help you to attempt first exercise of set. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.